first nindo nga country madtuan is France, no? And you will use what you have learned in this lesson, in our lessons. Okay, so we start with France, no? Sa France, no, di sila moingog France. Halain ng pronunciation sa France. They pronounce France as France. Okay? Again, France. Okay? Nasal siya, no? Naday ko maghatag ka o pronunciation tips dire kay daghan words ang gilista, no? Around 20 plus. Kailangan ta, no? Makabantag ka-oras tingali if we have to discuss each. I suggest na naman that I'm recording this video, so if you want to review this video, you can, no? Kung saan ni-pronounce ito, sir, no? I'll be uploading a recording of this video, so in case you want to review it. Okay. So again, France in French is pronounced France. Okay. How about Paris? Okay, the capital of France. They don't pronounce this as Paris, but Paris. Okay, again, Paris. Silent ang S, no? City. How do you say city in French? You say la ville. Okay, la ville. La there is the article, ha? Basin nung magtuo mo nga part na sa word. La is the article. So, la, if you remember, is translated the in English, no? It's a definite article. Okay. So, la ville, city. How about house? You say la, excuse me, la maison. Again, la maison, house. Okay. About apartment, you say l'appartement. Again, you say l'appartement. Okay, that's for apartment, l'appartement. How about office? We already encountered this earlier in one of our examples. You say le bureau. Again, le bureau. Okay? Mo nang murag gi-adapt ni nato ni nga term, mo nang sa English na poy or even dire sa Pilipinas, no, ubang offices gitawag og Bureau of, for example, Bureau of Fisheries, no? So it comes from French bureau, which means office. Okay. How about school? School is l'école, no, in French. L'école. Okay. University. Okay. Take note that sa Europe, ang school di ay nila is for little children, ha? For elementary and high school students ng school nila, no? Ato dire kayo may tag school regardless man of unsa ang grade level, no? Elementary ba, college, school na tanan, no? Pero in Europe, school refers to the school of children in the elementary and high school. Kung college na ka, you don't call your school but you call it university. Okay? So, university for college students, no? And higher, of course, no? Masteral, doctorate, no? How do you say university in French? You say l'université. Okay. Again, l'université. Excuse me. Next. Excuse me. How do you say bank? You say, it sounds the same, la banque. Okay. Again, bank is la banque. Okay. How about church? You say l'église. Again, l'église. Okay. How about hospital, no? Quite close, you just remove the S sa hospital. So you say l'hôpital. Okay? L'hôpital. Police station, you say, excuse me again, you say la gendarmerie. Again, police station, la gendarmerie. Okay, gendarmerie. Um, take a look at the second set of words. Excuse me. Supermarket. How do you say that in French? You say le supermarché. Again, le supermarché. Okay, supermarket. How about bakery? You say la boulangerie. Again, la boulangerie. And a baker, if you remember in our previous lesson pa doon katong introducing yourself, usa sa mga jobs na atong gi-mention dito is a baker, no? A baker in French is boulanger, no? So tangtangon ra nimo ang I o E or ang I, no? Sa boulangerie, you have boulanger and that's a baker. Okay? How about restaurant? You say le restaurant. Again, le restaurant. How about cafe? Cafe is already a French word, ha? Excuse me. You say le café. Excuse me. Le café. How about park? It's very close. You say le parc. Again, le parc. How about beach? You say la plage. Again, la plage. Airport, you say l'aéroport. Again, l'aéroport or airport. Okay. For train station, in France, traveling is still mainly if you travel to very far places or yes, no, not within the city but outside the city, you take a train. Okay, you take a train and you go to the train station, no? The train station in French is la gare. Okay, again, la gare. Okay, ang kasagaran dito nga ng ang company dito nga sikat sa kanang sa train is the TGV. TGV na siya in English but inigsulti na sa French kay TGV. TGV, no? Which means train grand vitesse, which or in English it would be train nga paspas kaadto, no? Anyway, moving on. I think this is the last word. How about a comfort room, no? Kay basin og travel mo sa France or naay bawo mo sa France and na mo'y guest na mangitas comfort room. Comfort room in French is les toilettes. Again, les toilettes. So it's not toilet but toilette. Okay?